Alright guys, we are going to work a little bit and take a few little notes in our science journal. Let me get to a clean page. Alright, so today guys, we are going to be discussing what makes something called a circuit. Alright, so whenever I hear the word circuit, I think of the word circle. They kind of sound the same. And they kind of are related. I would say they are, because when you talk about a circuit with electricity, then your electricity is traveling in a path, okay? And it has to be a complete path, kind of like a circle. All right, so there's some basic things in order to make a circuit that you would need. And we're going to talk first just about a basic circuit today. Now, they can get fancy, and you can have parallel circuits, and you can add a switch, and you can add extra batteries to make things shine brighter or move faster. But we're just talking about a basic circuit. So, in order to build a basic circuit, I want you to draw this with me first. The first thing you need is some kind of power source. And so we're going to draw a battery. Okay, so you need some kind of, and beside it, let's put power source. Now, it might not be a battery. It could be the plug in your wall. That could be your power source, and that's okay. But for this basic one, we're going to talk about a battery. All right, so from this battery, you also are going to need wire. You're going to have wire leaving the battery and attaching and coming back into it. This is going to be your conductor that allows the energy to flow through it. Okay, so you're allowing the electricity to flow through. Now, your wire is usually wrapped in an insulator so that when you touch it, you don't get shocked. But still, inside that wire, there is a metal that acts as a conductor that allows that electricity to flow. Now, when you have all of these set up just right, and you have the electricity flowing in a circle, right? This is my electricity. You can attach something over here to turn it on. And for just today, we are going to be drawing, let's draw a light bulb. Alright, there's something in there like that. So when they're all attached and it makes a complete circle, alright, this is called a complete circuit. So when you have a complete circuit, for this one, the light is on. Okay, now in order to have an incomplete, because this is complete, it would be the same kind of idea. You'd have your battery, you'd have a wire, and then maybe you would just have your light bulb like this. If you just had that, that is called incomplete. Okay? It doesn't close in on itself, okay? It's open. It's an open circuit because there's a big fat opening right here. Okay? So a complete circuit can also be called a closed circuit because it's completely closed in this circle. Okay, an incomplete circuit can be called also open because of this big old opening right here. And there's a lot of ways. You could even have another wire, but the minute it doesn't touch the light bulb, it's open and it's incomplete. All right, so get that drawn in your journal, and then I found us another little virtual experiment. I'll try to load the website for you if you want to play around with it. It's pretty cool. but some of the machines won't run it. So again, I'm going to make a video of me walking through this also so you can see it.